Welcome to Housekeeping Master. If you have been looking for a way to upgrade your kitchen without buying a dozen different products, you need to pay attention to this review. Today we are looking at the KOCH SYSTEME CS 14-piece stainless steel cookware set. This is not just another collection of pots and pans. It is a comprehensive kitchen solution that includes a high-performance pressure cooker. Let us start with the build quality. The set is made from 18/10 food-grade stainless steel. This is the gold standard for home cooking. Unlike cheaper materials that might warp or develop rust spots, this 304 stainless steel blend is incredibly durable and resists corrosion. What I really appreciate is the triple-layer base. This design is crucial because it ensures heat is distributed evenly across the entire surface of the pan. Whether you are using an induction stove, gas, or electric, you are not going to deal with those annoying hot spots that burn your food. The 14-piece count is quite generous. You get 2 frying pans, a sauté pan, 2 saucepans, and that standout 6.3-quart pressure cooker. The pressure cooker is the real star here. It features 3 adjustable pressure settings, which is rare in standard sets. You have 100 kilopascals for heavy meats, 60 kilopascals for everyday grains and stews, and a 0 kilopascal setting for gentle steaming. Being able to cook up to 70% faster while keeping nutrients locked into your vegetables is a game changer for anyone with a busy schedule. Now, let us talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the versatility is unmatched. You have everything you need for frying, boiling, and pressure cooking in one matching set. The stainless steel aesthetic is timeless, and because it is high quality, it stays shiny with proper care. It is also great that they include the extra silicone sealing ring and the steamer basket for the pressure cooker right out of the box. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. Stainless steel requires a bit of learning if you are coming from non-stick cookware. You need to preheat your pans properly to prevent sticking, and you cannot just blast them on the highest heat setting. Also, because these pots are built with heavy-duty bases, they do have a bit of weight to them. In conclusion, if you want a professional feel in your home kitchen that will last for years, this KOCH SYSTEME set is a fantastic investment. It covers all the bases for a family kitchen, and the integrated pressure cooker adds a level of efficiency that saves both time and energy. It is well built, induction ready, and incredibly flexible for any recipe you want to try. Link in the description.